The difference between you and me is that I believe in me. Hypothetically, I dream consistently, and I turn my dreams up into reality. But there is no use, there is no hope, so pass the smoke.
Hi True Heart fam, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new, I'm gonna need you to hit that subscribe button down below. Don't forget to like this video, and if you do, be sure to drop a comment down below. On my channel, I talk about all things beauty and business, because you know there's beauty in making money. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about motivation and how to stay motivated throughout your business adventures. How do I want to start this video? How to stay motivated and have a positive mindset, especially when you are an entrepreneur. When you're an entrepreneur, it's really important to stay focused and driven, and keeping your health up. Keeping your health up is very important as well. So I'm going to show you guys some tips and tricks on how to stay productive, positive, and to not fall into the sunken place, and how to get inspired and not unmotivated. Writers call it writer's block. Artists call it uninspired or unmotivated. So today we're going to be talking about productivity, how to stay focused, motivated, and driven, and how to stay away from getting burnt out, because we don't want to be burnt out. That is something that we want to avoid at all costs. But before I get into this video, let's give a shout out to the profile of the day coming right now. Congratulations, and thank you for supporting my channel. Want to know how you can be featured in the next video? It's simple. All you have to do is follow me on Instagram, tag me in your story, subscribe to my channel, like my Facebook page, and that's it. You're in. Another thing I want you guys to know, don't forget about my giveaway. If you have not entered, all you have to do is text the word heart to 31669. And in my giveaway, you get a free custom design logo. If you have not applied, you should get on and apply in there, girl, y'all. Get into my subscription, y'all. Y'all have to be added onto my VIP list. There's two ways to do that. You can either text heart to 31669, or you guys can apply directly to my website at trueheartgraphics.com and apply there. Let's just jump right into this video. So first things first, what I like to do to stay motivated is to always stay hydrated, drink lots of water. That's my first tip for you guys. Water and hydration will definitely affect your mood and your body. I really should have scripted this out, but I really didn't. I don't know how much of this footage I'm gonna use. If I'm gonna use this footage at all, I might use some of it. Another tip that I have for you guys, tip number 2, is to stay organized and on top of your projects. Having like some type of app software to keep you on track, whether it's Google Calendar. I use Google Calendar for my daily planner, like for my planning for the month. And then for my YouTube especially, I use Asana. And Asana, I'm sure if you guys don't know what Asana is, you guys can look it up. I'll put a link, a picture of Asana right here. Something else that will help keep you motivated is if you clean your working environment. Making sure that your working environment is tidy, clean, inspiring, having something that, you know, motivates you, just even if it's like a picture or a saying, something simple. A little goes a long way when it comes to motivation and inspiration. So all you really need is something that's really going to drive you, or that one little thing that triggers you to push forward. And that could be in a quote, it could be in a picture, or saying, anything. Something else that's very, very, very important is taking time for yourself, whether that's, you know, relaxing, taking a minute to yourself, just some alone time, drinking some wine. Biz to me how you relax. It's all depends on you. Basically, you want to take some time to yourself. If you're a single stay-at-home mom, or if you're a single mom period, and you're constantly taking care of your kids, you want to take that alone time for you. Your kids have to go to sleep at some point. You're not going to be with them 24 hours a day. So at some point in time when they are not in your face, you need to take that time for you to relax. And that is very, very important, because when you have time for yourself, you can reevaluate your own goals and what you want in life, and you can take time to think and meditate and really focus on what it is that you want in this life, because life is short. It's not long at all, you guys. We don't have a lot of time. And even though I say that, I don't want you to rush your business. I don't want you to feel like, oh, I'm a failure because I didn't get this and this done at this point in time, and this person is already 10 steps ahead of me. Don't worry about what the next person has going on. That's another tip. Focus on yourself, because always trying to stay ahead of the game and stay ahead of the trend will really hurt you in the long run. You want to put all your efforts and all your energy into being happy within what you're trying to achieve. So if you're trying to sell clothes, you want to have passion and creativity and have fun in actually making the clothes. Or let's say you're a esthetician, you want to have fun and passion in actually performing that service. You don't want to do it just because. You're not doing it just because. If you're in it just to make the money, then that's not something you should be doing. Entrepreneurs, a lot of the time when we make a business, is because it's something that we want and something that we are passionate about. Yes, making money is important, but as an entrepreneur, you should know that the first 2 years you're not going to make any money. Everything that you make is going to go back into the business. So you have to go in with the mindset that, no, this is not a get rich quick scheme. If you're trying to be your own boss just so you can get rich quick, that is out. Your business is going to fail. You have to have goals. You have to have, profits and margins and numbers. You have to keep track of your numbers. There's a lot that goes into running a business than just being the boss. So, yeah. Another thing is you want to set goals and projects annually. That means like for the entire year. So what I like to do is I set my projects quarterly based for my own business. And that means like for marketing for my own business. For example, my giveaway. So be sure to jump in on that. Setting goals for the entire year. Yes, you might have some projects that will pop up. Maybe you might get a new client, which is great, if you have a new client. But even if you don't, you want to have set projects for your business, whether that's marketing. I don't know. But you need to have some type of set goals for your business. I don't care what it is. Next is to follow people who inspire you. And I know this can be kind of difficult for some people, because sometimes they'll see someone who inspires them and they'll be like, oh, this person is doing the same thing as me. Why are they so much better than me? Or maybe I shouldn't do it at all. That is not the point in following people that inspire you. The point of following people that inspire you is to get inspiration from them. If those people are not inspiring you and they're just making you jealous or making you feel insecure about your own business, then they are probably not the type of people that you need to be following. Maybe you need to follow somebody else. The goal is to get inspiration, to learn things. Like in my other video, I'll link it above. Don't be a know-it-all. You don't know everything. You have to always be open to education. So learning from someone who has already done it, learning from their mistakes should inspire you. It should not instill fear in you. So yeah, that's something that I want to say. And I will actually do a video of my top 5 YouTubers that inspire me. So I will do that video next week. So make sure you stay tuned for that video. Another thing is to have an inspiration board. So, or a mood board. It can be any type of inspiration board. You can have it written, you can have pictures, you can have posting notes. For me, for example, I didn't feel like buying any post-it notes because I already have a whole bunch of index cards just lying around. So I figured, why just have them lying around? Why don't I actually use them? So what I did was I wrote down some things that I needed to remember. Like, for instance, one of my main goals is to make it to 100 subscribers. It's a simple goal. It's not really big, and it's achievable. So that's another thing you want to do, is set achievable goals for yourself. Goals that you know that you can do. Don't accept a goal that is so far out of reach that it just hurts your pride and hurts your self-esteem because you can't achieve it. Don't set high standards for yourself, especially in business. Set achievable standards. Another thing you can do to stay motivated is listening to music. A lot of people like to listen to music to relax their mind, get them in the right mood for certain things. Yeah, inspiration. I mean, music can be really powerful. It can be a really powerful tool, especially for motivation. So yeah, you can try that. Another thing to stay motivated, or another way you can stay motivated, is to take a hot bath or a hot shower. Sometimes we just need to cleanse that energy off of our aura so that we can be positive and bright and uplifting. Sometimes it's just too much negative energy that we just have on us. So taking a shower can release that anxiety, that energy, and that tension. So that is also another good tip. Make sure you just relax your mind and your body. Because when your mind and your body is relaxed, that's when all the creativity just starts to flow. All the positivity just starts flowing. My last tip for you guys is, if you cannot do paid advertising, because a lot of people are like, I don't have the money to do that, or I can't do this. There's lots of ways to advertise your business and to market your business for free, you guys. YouTube is filled with different marketing ideas for free. Maybe I'll actually make a video for that. I think I just might. But yeah, if you cannot do paid advertising, do free marketing for your business. There is always something that you can do for your business. Always. So make sure you do that. Also, another thing, and this goes in with staying organized, is to have a set schedule for your business and personal time. Personal time is very important. And you don't want to overwork yourself. You always have to have a time where you can clock off and just let go of things, because having your brain on business mode 24/7 can burn you out and burn out your energy and motivation as well. So always have a designated time for your personal time and a designated time to work on your business. All right, and I say that's a wrap. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel, and stay tuned for the rest. Stay tuned for the next video. All right, you guys, peace.
Let's kick it. Let's go. Let's go.